Hey guys, my name is Alfred Project Manager with America's Home Place in Calhoun. Today we're at a modified Lexington near Calhoun, near our office here, and we'll go through here and take a look at some of the customizations that our homeowner made. This homeowner fully expanded the kitchen into the breakfast room, added exponentially to the kitchen island here, customized his granite colors. He went with a special color there. This homeowner added 2 farm sinks in this kitchen, 1 stainless steel apron and 1 fire clay white farm sink there. We added some glass cabinet doors to enhance the look in here. We have a pantry there. Over here, you have a larger pantry there. This customer opted to customize his living room layout a bit. The standard plan comes with a double-sided fireplace in the middle here, separating the kitchen and the breakfast room and the living room. This homeowner opted to put his on the wall there and go stone to ceiling and add some built-in bookshelves there. This direction we have the powder room, guest bathroom there, right off the dining area, which as you can see is right off the foyer. Got a nice set of double French doors here in our standard foyer. This individual actually added a few feet here in the middle of the foyer to kind of enhance the size of the great room and the look of the foyer overall. Around the perimeter of the room here, the office room, we added crown molding for him up the vault and a shelf. Actually, this plan comes standard with a vaulted ceiling. Right off the study here is you have a French door access to your master bedroom. This plan includes a tray ceiling. This homeowner actually opted to add a fireplace with stone to ceiling. When it's all done, it'll have a remote control, blower, the works. Through this direction would be his and hers closets and master bathroom. It's a little dark back there right now because we're currently waiting on power. It comes with a nice oversized 4x7 shower that he added, customized, and a water closet, double vanities, his and hers vanities, and it's also vaulted in the bathroom just like the office up front, which is standard for this plan. So we'll go upstairs here. All of our homes come standard with an oak handrail and balusters, newel posts as required, and wrought iron railing. These are all covered up right now because we're still doing some touch-up painting. So the Lexington floor plan comes standard with a 2-story great room already. This homeowner opted to add coffered ceilings from the foyer extending into the living room just to enhance that look even more. Great look in my opinion, turned out beautifully. Let's head up the open staircase here and take a look at the upstairs bedrooms. So the Lexington comes standard with 3 beds and 3 baths upstairs, all of which have access to their own bathroom and walk-in closet. Our homeowner here opted to add in custom granite countertops, custom colors with matching paint colors there. He also opted to go with a stand-up shower versus a tub shower combo. A lot of people like that now. It's becoming pretty popular. As you'll see, all the bedrooms are a great size. I think this one's 14 by 12 with a 6 by 12 walk-in closet, again with access to the bathroom here. So very spacious, plenty of room for a queen, even a king-size bed if you need it. This is probably one of the larger bedrooms upstairs in this model. It's about 14 by 15, so it's almost like a mini master suite up here, especially because it has very easy access to its own ensuite bathroom, a walk-in shower, and of course a nice walk-in closet with a window in there. So as you can see from our walkthrough, America's Home Place allows you to modify your home in any way you see fit. This is about you as the homeowner, as the customer. We want to make it exactly what you need it to be. If you'd like to know more about the custom home building process, visit us online at americashomeplace.com and be sure to like and subscribe to the channel below.